Hello, I am Hanif Traveler from YouTube. Today I am with Dimitri. He will introduce himself and he is visiting Pakistan from Russia. So we will take some information about Russia from him.
And I'm in Pakistan now, and just at first I want to ask you forgive me for my English. It is not ideal and sometimes maybe I use some wrong words or phrases. So I'm ready to speak with you. I was born in Kursk city and live some different cities in Russia. Kursk, Orel city, I don't know how it's in English, St. Petersburg, Bryansk city, and last years I was live in Moscow before Putin and his government start a war. After it happened, when Russia start war with Ukraine, I leave my country and never. I don't remember it. I think it was in childhood when I look for news on TV news with my family. I think so, because when I think Pakistan, I remember some pictures like people with weapon in special dress and a lot of desert and some techniques. So when I think about Pakistan, when I thought about Pakistan 1 year before, I thought only about war, deserts, no water, and very hard life. It was my opinion about Pakistan. But after childhood, I listen audiobook about traveling one Jewish guy to India hitchhiking, and he told that he go from England, I think, through Europe to Pakistan, and through Pakistan to India, through border near these countries. It was maybe 80th years. It was difficult times for this border. And after this I understood that I not understood, maybe I thought only first time in my life what is Pakistan, that it is place like another place. It's usual place when people live, they love here, eat here, I don't know, do usual things. And the first time in my life I thought that Pakistan may be not bad place, like India is not bad place. Yes, my idea, I never thought that, oh, I want to go Pakistan, it's my dream. No, sure not. Just after war I live in Armenia, and go to Georgia. And one time I want to go India with my girlfriend, with my wife. We want to go to India by hitchhiking, by ground, not airplane. And we looking for map and understood that we go through the Iran and Pakistan. Yes, I want to visit not all India but Goa state, because almost of my friends were there. And a lot of people says me, you must be in Goa, because Goa is very good place for people like you. Yes, for people with this hair, for people who like music, who like reggae music, who likes sea, nature, and who likes be relaxed. So a lot of years I know that Goa state is a good place for Russian, for Europeans. I know that it's not usual place for India. Yes, I know that India is very big and very different, and a lot of poor people there, a lot of problems, society problems there. But Goa is like tourist state. So I like ocean, I like nature, and I want to have a rest sometime, and I want to have education for IT job, and Goa state is good place to rent apartment and some months study for these jobs. Looking for it, I think about it. I think it's not very cheap here, but I can do these documents or this, so I will get it. Not really dream. It's one place of my way. Yes, because I need the spoken place, warm place, where I not will be frozen, like in Russia, like in St. Petersburg. Spoken place for and cheap place when I can have a good job, have a education for good job. This is my goal. It's not really dream. It's like yours Baikal. Yes, you know that someday you will be there. So Goa is this place for me. I know that somewhere I will go Goa. The first place was border of Pakistan and Iran, because after when I crossed this border, I live in not in jail, but it's called guest house. It was a military yard with some apartments like this. When a tourist from Russia or from Europe, so tourists lived, and when we have a good quality for one car, we were maybe six people. We go with guardians, with policemen, I don't know, military, because Balochistan, it's nearby border, is very dangerous place for foreigners. So sometimes foreigners can be touched and not killed, but they ask money for people. Yes, some, I don't know who is it, terrorists or some criminals. But Balochistan is a dangerous place, and that's why I live one day in this border. It's the first place where I was, and after this we go Quetta, maybe 2 days. Yes, I think so. Yes, 2 days. 2 days, car by car. It was more than 10 cars of police cars. It was any car has its driver and another guardians. So we look a lot of policemen. So the second place where we were, it was police station. We have a night in this. Very good place. So not very good place. Police station is good place. No, but policemen were so funny. They were friendly. They smoked with us. They smoked with us. They gave us do what we want. So it was like prison, but very soft. And we have play reggae music with prisoners. It was funny because in this police yard, I mean not first near the border, another police before Quetta, another police yard, and there was a jail, and some people were there, and 2 of them were very black from Africa, and they like Bob Marley, and I like Bob Marley too, if you see, as you see, and I play guitar with them, and we sing Bob Marley songs. It was funny. So it was second place, another military place. The third place was hotel in Quetta city. It was very bad place because there was so cold. They have no Wi-Fi, and they say yes, we are good, we have Wi-Fi, please stay here, but we have no choice. Military say yes, you will live here, you have no choice. So and we paid them, because how we can do it another. Not in hotel, maybe Blue Star Hotel. I forget really, but I hope you subscribe in this video this name. It's very bad hotel. Please, dear Pakistan government, don't put people in this hotel. Give them choice, please. It was very bad. They give us 2 chicken. We ask them food. They say, okay, 1 portion will be $1, and they ask us maybe $2 for 1 portion, and they ask for more money and says you eat a lot, but we ask them only for 1 person 1 food, and they give us more and ask us more money, and it was very bad place. I hate it, this place, and all my friends too hate it. Sorry for it. So $10 from 1 person for this night. Maybe yes. I will say you after this. I don't remember just now, but I can. Yeah, we are going by bus to Islamabad. It was so. Policemen buy with us tickets. They guard us. They will guard us and sit us to the bus and go away. But every maybe 1/2 hour or maybe every 15 minutes, people with weapon go to the bus, stop bus, go to the bus, give us take our pictures, and looking for our passports. It maybe was 20 or 30 times for 1 bus. It was I was so tired, I sleep and lose your passport, and it was very difficult psychology. And I think maybe you have internet in your country, maybe you can take 1 picture and send all another policemen and militaries, and don't every 15 minutes look for my passport. It's not very good for fast moving. So
Which
it
was that area?
all road from Balochistan to Islamabad. I think it was all road. In Balochistan it was more often. After Balochistan it was less often, but it was maybe once. I understood that it's for safety, that it's a system, but maybe you can do your system some more soft, please, for tourists. And Islamabad, I was in Islamabad, interesting place, very dirty air. You cannot breathe free in this city, but we live not in the center, we live on the border of near the border of Islamabad. I don't know how it's in English, and we live in a very good place. It was guest house, and we pay with pleasure for it, $5 maybe in a day, because we have great person who has owner of this place. He gave us food only. It wasn't like food included